Breathe it in, the holy fire, golden smoke and sweet desire. The air turns green, the world turns slow, and everything begins to glow. Leaves of wonder, hands of time, roll the prayers, unwind the mind. Whispered stories in the flame, each inhale forgets your name. Colors melt, the ceiling spins, gravity forgets your sin. The light dissolves, the rhythm sways, your heartbeat hums in velvet haze. Eyes like mirrors, souls on the fold, breathing silver, breathing gold. High in the green cathedral, stars begin to sing. High in the green cathedral, the smoke becomes your wing, and heaven wears your skin. Voices drift through crystal air, they whisper love, they whisper care. The city fades to colored mist, 1,000 hearts in coexist. The moonlight hums a sacred tune, the day dissolves beneath the moon. The world feels soft, the clock turns round, silence grows, becomes a sound. Your shadow dances, slow and free, unfolding into what you see.
la 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 la.